So what year did they change the name of the Charger to the Challenger RT?
I don't know.
71.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you already knew that? Paint looks fresh.
I don't know why they do that. That's sad.
Take a look. Oh, it's got brakey, boys.
You want to walk around and see the cars? You can park your bicycle up here. We'll take care of it. We only charge you 50 cents for half.
Let's see this. Let's do a little. Oh, yeah. There's something going on in here, eh?
Yeah.
Oh. Nice. This yours?
Yep.
What year is it?
64.
64?
Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
Where'd you get the motor?
Out of the corner of somebody's garage.
Oh, okay, really?
Yep.
How much horsepower are you pumping out of that thing?
On the street, about 5.5.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. This is quite the build, man. This is awesome.
Yep. It's all Hotchkiss suspension
Yeah.
and 4-wheel disc.
Taking it to the track, I'm assuming?
I have.
You have? Yeah?
Once, yeah.
That's awesome.
Yep.
What's
Runs
the-
pretty good. It's fun.
What's the exhaust on it?
3-inch.
3-inch? Oh, yeah.
Yep.
That's crazy. Alright, so this is a Rowdy 1964 Plymouth Savoy wagon. History U.S. forestry vehicle from Colorado. Originally a 6-cylinder 3-speed on the tree. Now built as a Patina Pro touring street machine. All original panels, 100% original paint on what's left. Alright, drivetrain 2003 NASCAR Hooter Pro Cup Dodge R3 W2 358 CID motor. 625 horsepower at 9,200 RPM. Tremec TKO 6,000 5-speed transmission. Original Chrysler 8 3/4 391 sure grip. That's crazy.
64 Savoy wagon.
9,200 RPM probably sounds pretty nice.
9,200 RPM, eh? That's crazy.
I wish you had this.
Came up with more car things.
So why you off?
I mean, it's like the wire.
That reminds me of the whole fucking subway footlong right there. It's like the golf cart.
No barbecue.
Volkswagen, it comes off
Like something you can win over.
upwards, yeah.
I want to hear this thing. I should have asked him, but whatever.
Japanese cars.
Yeah.
Always make me cry. Doesn't matter the age. Have a good day.
Some brakey boys.
300 to the winner. It's gotta be. I believe we're up to 300 to the winner. We're also selling tickets on a chainsaw carving.
Do you want me to move?
$5.
Oh, no.
tickets.
It's all good, yeah. Thank you.
3 for 10. Yeah, that's it. Bring them up here, guys. We're up here.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Thank you.
Yeah, is there a NASCAR engine in it? What?
Yes, there is. Yeah.
Oh, really?
That's good. You can park them there.
Oh.
Whoa, don't hit your buddy. Yeah, back 'em up.
15 more.
Okay. I'll find you when he comes back.
Awesome.
I'm gonna go look some cars, and he's looking at cars, so I'll probably beat him back because he's younger.
Okay.
Oh, okay. This guy, I remember this guy.
I get Troy over here with his car.
Oh, right.
This car.
Yeah, yeah. That's cool. Did we see this one already or no? This is
Here
different.
today?
No, like just in general.
I think so. I know
I'm thinking it's like a
there's
69.
a green one with a swap, though. Isn't there?
Is there? Oh, right. Those 392 swaps, right?
392 swaps.
That's cool. Nice paint. Is that it?
And that's on 4 lane.
Wonder what year this thing is. Pretty cool. Not bad, not bad.